This MCP server just took my job. But honestly, I'm not even mad about it. Let me tell you why. So analyzing metrics used to take me hours per week, but now I can do it in minutes using Amplitude's new MCP. So with Amplitude's new MCP, I can connect any external AI client directly to Amplitude's rich behavioral datasets. And I can rely on the model to intelligently navigate the different tools we've made available and the different projects that might be in my org's instance. So you can see here, it's navigating our corp site and taking the natural language query and trying to figure out what are the right charts and dashboards to query to answer my question. I can also jump directly to the charts and pull the underlying data attached to it to answer the question. Cool. So it seems like Claude was able to give me a good response. And there seems to be this kind of interesting spike in September. So I love using the MCP because I can drill down extremely easily. Cool. So now Claude is off. It's thinking about what are the different factors. It's looking at the different sources, campaigns, social posts. It's excavating campaign data, starting to query some of those charts. Seems like it found this Marketo campaign. Awesome. So Claude navigated a bunch of different vectors like channel performance, campaign drivers, content performance, and identified that a lot of the growth came from Marketo, but also this pretty big product benchmark report that generated a massive spike in September. Pretty cool. Awesome. So what are the downstream growth impacts by these campaigns? Awesome. So Claude is now investigating whether there's any impact on conversion and some of these other metrics. So it's looking at conversion funnels, lead forms. So Claude is able to identify that traffic jumped, lead forms bumped up, not as much change on the quality piece. Pretty good. All right, so now for the best part. I'm going to ask Claude to go ahead and create a notebook in Amplitude with all this analysis for my growth team. So it seems like it's generating this notebook. I'm going to kick this open. Let's go ahead and check it out. So a TLDR for the decision makers, a bunch of charts embedded, breaking down the conversion funnel, the channels, and then even a little playbook for what worked for the growth marketers and next steps. So yeah, just a few minutes, pretty deep research into explaining what drivers of change led to my web traffic bumping up, and an awesome notebook immediately available to share with my team. So yeah, honestly, it took my job as an analyst, but it's given me a pretty unfair advantage as a PM. So that's Amplitude MCP, your data, your context, anywhere that you work. Thank you.